Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a popsicle boomerang. First, you'll need 3 standard popsicle sticks, a sharp craft knife, and some quick-drying, strong adhesive. Make sure your sticks are clean and dry. It's also a good idea to have a cutting mat or a protected surface to work on. This project is fun and surprisingly simple to complete with just a few basic items. Now, let's prepare our sticks. Take 2 of your popsicle sticks and carefully cut them down to about 3-5 inches each. On one end of each of these shorter sticks, create a slight bevel or angle. The third stick will remain its original length, typically around 4-5 inches. Smooth any rough edges with sandpaper for better aerodynamics. Next, we'll assemble the boomerang. Take your full-length stick and position it horizontally. Then, attach one of the shorter, beveled sticks to each end of the long stick, forming a T-shape. Make sure the angle between the long stick and each short stick is exactly 90 degrees. Apply a generous amount of strong glue and let it cure fully before handling. Once your boomerang is completely dry, it's time to test it out. Hold one of the boomerang's arms and throw it with a good spin, aiming slightly upwards. Experiment with different throwing angles and forces to find the sweet spot for a perfect return. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.